God, attack of all the birds.
What have we done? And all we did was throw one little biscuit, one of these. What have you done?
Look at them, Dad. Oh my God.
And now let's make them go away.
Don't poop on me. Oh, it's so neat.
Oh, he caught it in his mouth as he flew by.
I love you.
I love you.
He loves me.
Yeah.